Hello students, I hope you're having a wonderful day. For this instructional video today, we're going to be going over the pre-writing activity, which is the theme analysis. The directions state, using your compare-contrast worksheet from 11/24, which is the Tuesday before Thanksgiving, complete the following worksheet. You need to identify one theme for all short stories listed below, and then write a 2 to 3 sentence explanation for each theme. So I want you to identify why what you listed is the theme, and how it is the central idea or message the author is trying to get across. Now, there's a lot of really great resources on Google Classroom for you to help with that will help you with this, so make sure you use those. The theme definition: a theme is a central topic, message, or a theme is a central topic, subject, or message within a narrative. So you've got our 4 short stories here: The Gift of the Magi, The Lottery, The Most Dangerous Game, The Pit and the Pendulum. I want you to identify one theme for each, and then write an explanation below why what you listed is the theme and how it is the theme. So, as always, email me if you have any questions, and I will talk to you guys soon.